Just going to replace this handle for a client. They wanted to change the style of it. It's starting to click and be hard to actually close. Such an easy job. Anybody could do this. You just open the handle, finding the screws. I tend to like to use a hand screwdriver rather than a gun, just in case anything threads in the old locks. There we go. So we have a handle with a, looks like a 9mm spindle and 25mm screws. The new handle has multiple sizes in it, so I will replace like for like. Our new handle, spindle's a tiny bit longer, but it's fine. So we'll open that up, place that in. I'm going to use smaller screws because I don't need to be as long as they were. Pull it towards you and just give them an extra little tighten. Close it over to check. Apply your little cover cap. Try your key in lock position. Yep, open.